You. I've heard of you. You're that Jigsaw Killer making headlines in the news. You've garnered quite the reputation for yourself. So what warrants this little gathering between us? Interested in trading secrets? From one industrial genius to another?
You have nothing I could want, but what I can offer you is salvation. For too long you have lived a life causing pain and suffering on others, destroying families by kidnapping and murdering their children in order to satisfy your sick and twisted pleasures. Do you know what it is like to lose the heart and soul that makes up the foundation of your family? I do.
Believe it or not, so do I. I've lost two of my own. But who are you to judge me? You've taken the lives of many people with your contraptions. You're a killer too, just like me.
I have never killed anyone. There is no blood on my hands. But yours, they're smothered in it. Which brings us here to your test. Since you clearly have suffered quite a bit being trapped in that suit of yours, I have made a small two-part test you must complete. If you successfully complete these tests, you will be free to go. But if you fail, then this place will be your tomb.
You honestly think any of your little toys will kill me? I've gone through so much worse, and I always come back.
We'll see. Your first test is simple. Put your arm in the contraption and reach for the key on the other side.
Simple.
I must warn you though, in order to take the key, it will cost you an arm and a... No, just an arm.
You think this hurts me? Ha! This is nothing to me. You'll have to do better than that.
Very well then. Your final test is also very simple. The key you have can open all three doors that are behind you. However, not all of them are exits. Two of them are rigged with traps on the other side that, if opened, will activate and lead to your death. You must choose which door you think is the exit in order to survive. Live or die, the choice is yours.
Oh, please. You're going easy on me, Jigsaw. You think this is funny? You enjoy watching others suffer, huh? Well, so do I. Which is why when I get out of here, I'm going to laugh hysterically while I carve out your heart.